With the DJI Mavic Air 2, DJI has taken everything that made the original Mavic Air great and improved it. The new drone is more powerful, more portable, and offers better flight performance than its predecessor. The DJI Mavic Air 2 is a foldable drone that's perfect for anyone looking for a high-quality device to take with them on their adventures. This is because it's small enough to fit into a backpack or even your pocket. The drone offers two different modes: Sport Mode and Normal Mode. Sport Mode offers a better flight experience with enhanced agility and stability. Normal Mode provides smoother flight and longer battery life. The DJI Mavic Air 2 has a 3-axis gimbal camera that shoots well. The DJI Mavic Air 2 is an upgrade from the original Mavic Air. The new drone is a bit more expensive, but it has some significant improvements. The new drone is a lot quieter than the original version. The camera has been improved with a better sensor and lens, which makes it easier to take photos and videos in low light conditions. The battery life has been increased by up to 30 minutes, and the range has also been increased by up to 49%.